Light, what do we know? We know that about 12 of us sneeze when we are in bright sunlight. We know that we're faintly bioluminescent, that 1,000 billion photons strike the tip of a needle every second. My name is John Howe. I'm a Ph.D. student and adjunct faculty at Colorado State University, founder and director of the STEM Institutes in Fort Collins, and co-founder of Engineering Brightness, and I would like to spend a few minutes talking about light. The World Bank estimates that 780 million women and children are affected by toxic indoor air, bad enough to be the equivalent of smoking 2 packs of cigarettes a day. Acute respiratory disease is estimated to kill 5,000 children a day worldwide. Wood, candles, and kerosene lanterns mainly affect women and girls, and are more likely because they're more likely to be indoors. Estimated 4.3 million women and girls die annually from polluted indoor air. Where on earth is this effect happening? Mostly around the equator, as you can see from this map from UNESCO. Extreme poverty and light poverty affect about 1.3 billion people, according to UNESCO. It's a problem that is recognized worldwide and is getting a lot of attention, and even last year UNESCO declared 2015 as the year of light. In 2014, a librarian, Tracey Winey, at Preston Middle School had the idea to have middle school students create homemade flashlights to send to Haiti. She recruited her assistant principal, myself, to join with the kids to make 20 of these little lights to send to Haiti. A month later, my friend Ian Fogarty, who's a chemistry physics teacher in New Brunswick, and I were headed out to a rocket launch in northern Weld County. And we started talking about what can we do to enable and empower students to address some real world problems. From that, our project called Philanthropic Engineering was born, and it evolved into Engineering Brightness. We believe that when you empower students to tackle real world problems using their amazing abilities, real world solutions follow. What are the assets that we have? Never doubt the amazing ability of student altruism. There's an international focus on STEM education now. 3D printers are ubiquitous. We have the tools of collaboration, and we can connect and work together to solve this real world problem of light poverty. Our network includes schools in Canada, in the UK, New Brunswick, Uganda, Nicaragua, the Dominican Republic. These schools are public and private, K-12, and include 2 orphanages. We also enjoy the amazing support of partners like Smart Corporation and Intel and the Big Brain Club, Dom Testa's group out of Denver. And it's really, what we've learned, it's not about money, it's all about intellectual property. How does it work? Well, we have special class projects. Feasey Park in the UK and Riverview High work together on a special class project to design a light. They designed a little wrist light for kids to wear. Also, integrated units, the physics classes in New Brunswick did a physics unit and designed 2 different models of lights. And at Preston, we use it as an after-school activity. You'll notice a gentleman there playing a guitar. The delightful kids in the Uganda always sang to us, and so we responded with our version of Lean on Me. What's our niche? There are many, many enterprises out there working to address this issue of light poverty. Our niche is that we're working to create social entrepreneurs at the middle and high school and elementary level to produce and distribute lights for those without. What are our growing edges? Our growing edges are getting a more efficient light and working on a solar charging system to recruit more schools and to develop a curriculum. These are our field researchers. Faith wanted a pink light, and so our students produced a pink light for her and sent it over. The girls in the bottom right want to be medical students, and they can't study at night because the light often doesn't work in their orphanage. We're Engineering Brightness. We have a website if you want to look at us. We also have a workshop coming up at the end of October, and if you're interested in that, you can let me know. Thank you very much for listening.